Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, I make weekly motherhood and lifestyle content, and I would love it if you guys would consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I've been at it for about 1.5 years now, and I love the community and the family that I've built on here. Today is my most exciting subscription unboxing. If you guys have been with my channel for a while, you know that I love a subscription box, girl. I love a subscription box. But out of all the subscription boxes that I've ever had throughout all the years, and I have had a lot, everything from like underwear to snacks, like everything, this is my all-time favorite unboxing ever. And it just so happens to be from my favorite person ever, Jillian Harris. This is the Winter Jillybox 2020. So if you guys don't know who Jillian Harris is, she's a Canadian influencer, interior designer. She was on The Bachelor and The Bachelorette, and my all-time girl crush slash idol. I live for everything Jillian Harris and Team Jilly. And she put out this box. This is now the 5th box. She only had 5,000 to begin with, and I was one of the very lucky few that ended up with a full-blown subscription. And the box is pretty pricey at $200 plus tax, but I would never miss an opportunity to have all the things that Jillian loves. So if you guys are ready, let's get started with this unboxing. So the first thing, like most subscription boxes that you'll find, is the magazine. This is gonna have all the information about the products in it. Another reason why I really love Jillybox is that she is, number one, always supporting Canadian businesses. I believe everything that's in this box is actually from a Canadian business. She also tries to work with female-owned and operated businesses, and I mean, who doesn't love that? And then the last thing that I really love about her is she's very eco-friendly. So she doesn't put any extra packaging inside the boxes. And when she gets people to make things for the box, she gets them to make them as eco-friendly as possible. So let's get started. The first thing in the box, oh my gosh. So this is Droplet Home Goods 100% organic cotton throw. The color, let's just start with the color. As you can see, it matches my decor absolutely perfect. I love that she puts her brand on absolutely everything. So anything you get in her boxes, there's usually like a collaboration that she's doing with somebody. It's exclusive to the box. And I mean, all this stuff is such good quality. So this is $185, almost the entire cost of the box. This is the most beautiful throw blanket, and you can feel from it that it is just amazing quality. And I saw there was a cute little detail on it that you wouldn't notice until you open it up. Let's see if I can find it for you guys. It's got the cutest little heart on it, and Jilly puts a heart on all of her things. So I am in love with this blanket. This is going to be great for all year decor inside my house instead of just seasonal decor. That's the first item, and it was awesome already. And the second thing is this Joe Fresh Chenille Pom Pom beanie. This one's valued at $16 Canadian. Guys, I can't even explain to you like how soft it is. It's like literally like butter. It's so smooth, it's so soft. I guarantee you it's gonna be super warm. And the cute little pom-pom detail on top, I mean, I can't wait to take pictures. Now, the next item might just be my absolute favorite item that I have ever received in any subscription box ever. So to go along with the greatest subscription box that has ever been made, she did a collaboration with Larson and Jennings. Here's the box. Everything is so sleek that she does. I live for Jillian Harris products. Guys, take a look at this. It's a rose gold watch, okay? It has her branding on it. There's the little heart again. How fabulous is that? I don't even wear watches, but I will wear a watch to wear this. And so she let you actually choose on the website whether you wanted gold, silver, or rose gold without telling you what the product was going to be. I chose the rose gold because it goes with my brand, and I am in love with this product. And this, guys, this was valued at $250 Canadian. Like, come on, so beautiful. The next item is from The Cross Design, another awesome Canadian company. This is something that you could use at your cottage. I will also take a really cute picture with it. This is actually something that I already own, but in a bigger version. I will show you guys after. But it is this happy place sign. How cute is that? So this is valued at $9.95, and it is actually really, really heavy. So it's made out of a good material, and I'll just show you guys really quickly. Ah, how cool is that? So I bought this one on Amazon. It's really lightweight and it's tin, and I noticed from her stories that Jillian actually has the same one at the front of her house. And I was really excited when I noticed that we bought the same thing, and she didn't even have to tell me about it. Anyways, so here's my mini one, and I can't wait to find something to do with this. Really cool. Next up is Smart Sweets. I don't know if you guys have heard of Smart Sweets. I don't know if they even carry them in the States, but these are like your basic candies that you would like gummy bears, peach rings. I believe they have sour gummy bears, and then these Swedish fish. I buy these all the time on my own. They are a little bit expensive, but I mean, if you have a sweet tooth but you don't want all the sugar, Smart Sweets are the way to go. These are the sweet fish, which are like Swedish fish. They are absolutely delicious. They retail for $3.99, and they are a Canadian company. So they also have massive fiber in it, which is like the weirdest thing. I actually noticed that on my own without anybody telling me that. But this one bag has 17 grams of fiber in candy and only 3 grams of sugar for the whole package. Next up is another product I'm super excited. I told you guys this was the best box ever, and like I'm really excited about all these things. I don't know, they're just amazing. So this came in a set. So it's this beautiful packaging. This is the Living Apothecary Tea Company, and this is the Detoxify Tea. I think maybe I saw it on her stories. The woman that makes this is like a naturopathic doctor, and she has a whole bunch of them, but I'm really happy that we got the detox one. This is a massive, massive bottle. Here's my hand next to it for size reference. It's just huge. And then it also came with this super cute tea infuser. Again, you can just tell that it's made so well. Sorry for the fingerprints, my daughter already got to it. But like, how cute is that, for real? So you're gonna fill it up, and this is just gonna sit inside your cup to steep your tea, and then you just take it out. Then there's no loose leaf inside of it, and it's so nice. Smells like tea. It smells really nice, but look how pretty. Again, super excited. And the two of these together retail for $68. Wow, that's some expensive tea, but I'm here for it. Last but not least, inside of this Jillybox is this pair of lovely socks from the Friday Sock Company. So I believe these were exclusive also to the Jillybox. I know Friday Sock Company has tons and tons of different designs, but this design I think was only made for the Jillybox. This company is designed in Calgary, and then they are produced ethically in Italy. And you can tell once again that they are super good quality. I haven't opened them yet, but I will show you guys the picture inside of this this Jilly magazine, so you can see that on the bottom they actually say Jolly at Heart with the Jilly hearts on them. How cute is that? Honestly, if you are not like super obsessed with Jillian Harris the way that I am, you would love this box. But the fact that she curates this, and this is basically just all of her favorite stuff in a box, like, I'm over the moon for this one. So these socks retail at $18, and I believe the total value of this box was over $500. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. There is nothing I love more than sharing with you guys, number one, my daily life, number two, all things to deal with toddler and mom life, and number three, just like the amazing products that are out there. I love to shop, and I love good products, and I love to share it with you guys. So like I said before, if these are things that you're into, please give this video a thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like it. And subscribe to my channel if you're new around here. And I will catch up with you guys next week in a new video. Bye!